Marcy, Gaston, and I am faculty in the Hospitality Management program here at MSU. Most of my classes that I teach are cooking and food related. So when we were told that we had to go online, that actually posed a big challenge for me because I am not going to be in the kitchen with my students doing hands-on instruction. So in order for me to actually teach and deliver content to my students, I have to make videos. And so this is my backdrop. This is my kitchen. It is a family affair to make these videos. My husband is my cameraman. My kids come on as taste testers every once in a while. Sometimes my cat's in the background meowing. So obviously this is not a Food Network production. This is a home production. And it does force me into thinking methodically about how I'm going to deliver the content. So I have to get things ready before I actually start the video. And this is what I have in front of me. Is that this week I'm going to do fermentation. So I'm actually going to start the sauerkraut so my students can see a little bit of the process. And sometimes I will take still photos and then put those into a video format with me narrating. And so it's more like a step-by-step of how to do something. So like sourdough starter, for instance, because it takes about over a week to make starter. So this is a little bit behind the scenes, and I thank you for watching. So from my kitchen to yours, have a great day.